welcome back to the Gateway Grand. Today I have an awesome new listing here on the second floor, right on the beach, Oceanfront. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Let's go check it out. The primary bedroom is located right on the beach, so you can fall asleep listening to the waves and wake up in the morning to the sunrise. You will appreciate the rich color palette in this kitchen with the cherry cabinets and the dark granite countertops. Thanks for taking a video tour of our newest listing today. For more information or to schedule your own private tour in person, go to ocgatewaygrand.com.